is going to be helping me exercise. And you're probably wondering, hey, how does Coco exercise? Well, let's get started. Pajamas, but the shirt's really pretty. So first, your mom helps you get in position.
So always tuck your hand in. Make sure that you do not do this with human children. Always with bears.
It will hurt. For me, it doesn't hurt as much.
So let's start with the frontward somersault. How does that sound, Coco?
Perfectly fine.
Ready?
Yep. Woohoo!
I'm just going to help her with a backward somersault.
Ow.
Oh, I don't think that worked.
I think I did a foot well.
Well, how about we try a different exercise?
Okay, let's go. Jumping jacks, jumping.
Don't forget to spread your legs too.
I can't really spread my leg.
Oh, okay. Well then just do this.
Just move my arms. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm happy he's moving my arms. This is how you do jumping jacks. Woohoo! Stop a handstand.
What?
But I finally mastered the handstand. Running. Where am I going? Mom, where am I going?
I don't know.
How you exercise for your Build-A-Bear. Show some love, subscribe.
Coco,
Yeah.
how would you like to have a spa
Yeah.
to celebrate?
Show some love,